Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So breaking news. Afe Babalola obtains court order to ban Farotimi's bestseller and seize royalties. So this news is reaching us from Sahara Reporter. So it says uh, the Federal High Court in Abuja has issued an ex parte order stopping the production and distribution of Nigeria and its criminal justice system. A book written by human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi. The book has been a topic of heated debate due to its allegations of judicial manipulation and recently became a global bestseller in the politics category on Amazon platform. Sahara reporters had reported that armed police officers arrested Farotimi at his office in Lagos State on December 3rd and took him to Ekiti, more than 300 kilometers away. On the following day, he was arraigned before a magistrate court in Ado-Ekiti for alleged criminal defamation of legal luminary Afe Babalola SAN in the book Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System. The book accused Babalola of manipulating the judiciary to secure favorable rulings for his clients. The allegations have not only attracted significant public interest, but have also put the legal icon in the spotlight, with growing condemnation for his use of the police to harass Farotimi. However, the court order was requested and obtained by Afe Babalola and demands that all sales and distribution of the book, both physical and digital copies, be stopped immediately. In the suit number CV stroke 537 2 stroke 24, filed by the court by Kehinde Ogunwujimi SAN, the head of Afe Babalola's law firm, and dated December 6, 2024, the plaintiff also sought a directive to seize any royalties generated from the book sales. The court granted an interlocutory injunction restraining Farotimi and all affiliated parties from further distributing the book. The injunction read, an order of interlocutory injunction restraining the defendant's respondent, whether acting by himself, his staff, employees, servants, privates, representatives, agents, publishers, distributors, sellers, republishers, resellers, or any other person, however described, including Amazon Online Bookstore, Roving Heights Bookstore, Booksellers Bookstore, Jazz Hall Lagos Bookstore, Glendora Bookshop, Quintessence Lagos Bookstore, and Pataba Books Limited from further publishing, selling, circulating, advertising, or distributing the physical stroke hard stroke digital stroke soft copies of the book authored by the defendant stroke respondent titled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System Online. An order of interlocutory junction directing the seizure of all physical copies of the book authored by the defendant stroke respondent titled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System and wherever they may be. The legal move to block the book sale and distribution may be connected to its soaring global popularity, with critics and readers alike praising its bold expose of Nigeria's criminal justice system. Meanwhile, the distributors have stopped the sale of the book. According to a source who demanded According to a source who demanded 10 copies of the book, he told Sahara reporters on Wednesday that he was told that henceforth the store in Abuja had seized all sales of the book from their stores. Our attention has been drawn to an injunction sought against the sale of the book in bookstores, sought by a SAN in Abuja, in which our company in which our company was named and listed. Henceforth, we have seized all sales of the book from our stores. The source quoted in the text the vendor sent to him when he requested for the book. So, guys, there you have it. And we already know what this story is about. There's so much legal terms, even reading from that report, you could hear so many terms there. And it's not going to be a very easy um, process. But unfortunately, Afe Babalola and everyone that is affiliated to him should also understand that fighting against this in this manner is only proving the points that the people have been making. The justice system, we can't say all the judges or all the lawyers, but they seem to be, they are the ones at the forefront, and most of them are corrupt, or should we say many of them are corrupt, are fantastically corrupt, according to the words of the former British Prime Minister Cameron. So there's a lot of corruption going on. Judges cannot give independent, so some judges cannot give independent rulings. So the Dele Farotimi's book and the ordeal is going through now is only going to make people to just confirm what they've been suspecting all along. The system is still, nobody can deny that there is no corruption in the Nigerian judiciary. We are not saying 100% of all the judges are corrupt, no. So even if you want to, and even the process from people that have been hearing them speaking about this thing, the man who is in Lagos, you brought him all the way to Ekiti. So maybe those that know this law should be able to tell us, is it legal for you to go to another state and bring someone? The man, whatever he said it in Lagos, or he didn't say it in Ekiti State. So how come they are taking him all the way from Lagos to Ekiti State? That shows you that there's already a misuse. There's already a misuse of power. There's already an abuse of authority or misuse of power. That's the truth. And that's the same thing that the man has been talking about. So if you're talking about defamation and all that, yes, do it the right way. You don't need all these other things, just shows you the culture of corruption that is already circulated largely in that system. So it's quite unfortunate. It's quite unfortunate, and I don't know who advised, or I don't know if he did it himself or if someone advised him. Afe Babalola, handling it this way is only going to expose more and more and more illegalities and corruption and abuse of power in the system. Handling it this way, I don't think anybody that wants to hide something or that cares so much about, I don't think they will go through this manner to get Dele Farotimi. If you say the man defamed you, do it the right way. What's the basis of not even releasing him to start attending the court? Or is he already convicted and everything in prison? Is he not supposed to be released? Then he will now start having his day in court until they find him guilty. So are you going to hold him in prison until he's found guilty? If you think he committed a crime. So it's quite unfortunate, and I understand also the thing about defamation and all that, but do it the right way. If you have nothing to hide, do it the legal way. If you have nothing to hide. So, guys, thank you so much for um, listening to this report, and we're going to come back later on to have a more extended session. We're going to talk more about all of this. I just wanted to quickly bring this developing story, and I will see you next time.